Alright everybody, so I posted on Twitter if you wanted me to do another random song challenge. I got 2 people voted, both said yes, so that's what we're doing today. Last time we did Show Me by Alina Baras, I believe is how you say the name. We have to hit play and then next, and we will see what happens. So play, and then where's the button? Next. Okay. So we have Ivy Doomsday by the Amity Affliction. As you know, I do link the video or the song in the description box down below. I'm just going to give a warning. This song may be triggering to some, so just as a heads up. I will still link it down below. Like I said, that is a trigger warning for you. I will link it down below. I will also put a disclaimer on there as well. The music video has a disclaimer as well. Go ahead and do my face and my eyebrows, and I will come back when we are ready to do the eyes. Okay, so now that my face is all done, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette for this one. It has more of the colors that are calling to me. I'm going to start out with this color brush, and I'm going in with White Peach, and I'm going to stop for a second because I have not primed my lids yet. Okay. Now I'm going with White Peach, and I'm putting that under my eyebrow. And now I'm going to take just Peachy and apply that to the inner third corner of my eye. Now I'm going to take Bless Her Heart on the same brush, just on the opposite side. And I'm going to put that on the center of my eye. I'm going to use this brush, and I'm going to go in with Tempting on the outer corner. I'm just patting that on. I'm not liking just Peachy. So I'm going to take this one and go in with Delectable instead and put that over just Peachy. That's better in my opinion. Just lightly, you can still see some of that pink through Delectable. In with this Precision Crease brush, and I'm going to go in with Summer Yum. And put that in my crease. I'm going to take a little bit of that and Peach Pit and run that under my lower lashes. I'm just going to take this brush and smoke that out. Clean brush. That's been on this whole entire time. No wonder it's been all weird. Just cleaning that up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going in with this Hard Candy Walk the Line liquid eyeliner in Asphalt with this Wet n Wild Kohl crayon, and Baby's Got Black. That's kind of funny. I've never used this one before. And I don't really like this one. I have some fallout. I'm gonna go with my Gucci Eye mascara and do the tops and coat the top and the bottom of my lashes. And top lashes. I rarely do bottom lashes. Okay, so now we're done with the eyes. I'm going to go in with this Vivid Hot Lacquer by Maybelline New York in number 74, which is Retro. And this is the doe foot. It's got a little hole in the center for product too. Take this brush and dip into Peach Pit because it's a very similar color. So there we go. This is the completed look for Ivy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can find me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.